Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So with gold, we never did break structure to the downside. This is the break of structure. Now this looks like a perfect five waves up, like I've been saying, and I still think that the most likely thing to happen is that this will go down to a much lower Fibonacci level for a wave B or a wave two, and this up here would potentially be the A or one. So I still think that is the most likely scenario. The only problem with that analysis is if we really are into the higher time frame uptrend again, then it could end up making a higher low, higher low, and it could just keep on going up. So I would definitely have a short bias if I was trading below the 1 hour time frame, maybe looking at something like this down to one of these lower fib levels. But if it does push down, something like this, and then looks like it's making a significant higher low, just remember the higher time frame trend is always your friend, and the higher time frame trend is definitely still up. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.